Good afternoon, guys. This video is for Anatomy and Physiology, the second. It's going to be for section 310. I'm going to show you the view of the students, and now we're going to get the course content. Now it's available, the link, and you have two folders. You have the lecture folder, and you're able to open the exam number 1, and you're going to have the material here, and you have the other folder, which is the lab folder. You open the lab exam number 1 folder, and then you have the first link is going to be your microscope lab worksheet. Then if you hit this link, you're going to get the file. It's going to be a Word document, and here you have the lab activity worksheet. Then the link you're going to work, it's going to be the first one. You hit Control or Command, and you hit the link, and you're going to need the computer. It should be or the PC or the laptop. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to work on the tablet. For sure, you shouldn't be working on the cell phone. Try to work on the PC or on a laptop. Then you have here the learn part. You have here the explore part. And remember, you're going to get or the planet slide or the human slide. It could be any tissue. And we're going to repeat the same thing we did in class. And after that, remember to answer every single question you have here. You're going backwards, and then you have to deliver your homework right here. You're going to deliver your homework right here. Browse your local files, and then you have to attach your file document here, and that's it. Please let me know in Remind. Use the Remind app just if you have any problem with the assignment. Have a great day.